Let me quickly show you how to set up and use your Black Shark smartwatch, and also some tips and tricks you need to know probably about these. By the way, they have a couple different models, but again, the setup really will be the same on all of them. So first, if you actually want to charge your watch, so you see you have these two pins on the back of the watch, and inside the box you will actually find a charger like this essentially. So again, this is actually a magnetic attachment, so it simply attaches via magnet, and yeah, basically, so the other end we simply plug in any USB, maybe computer or wall adapter, or you can also get one of these adapters and charge it from your phone essentially as well. So to turn on your watch, so it will most likely be this upper button. So I have a scroll wheel on this watch, so I'm simply going to hold it for basically a few seconds, and next let's select our language over here, and next we actually need to pair it with our phone. So the app these watches use is called this CoFit app, so we're going to install it and download essentially. So this is available both on Androids and also iPhones. By the way, also, if you are actually looking to get this Black Shark GS3 version, so I think this is actually one of the best out there. I will also leave in the description basically a special link where you can get it for the cheapest price on AliExpress. Also, I will try to get some extra coupons that you can use to bring this price down even further. For this price, this watch is absolutely insane. So then, when you actually download your app, before you actually open it, make sure to actually go in your Bluetooth settings essentially, and make sure your Bluetooth is actually enabled. So otherwise we won't even be able to find the watch. Then let's simply open this app up over here, and next let's agree to this terms. Basically select your region over here, and next we need to log in basically with Google, or also you can also create an account here with your email. So simply click one of these. Okay, also you can also like confirm your email if you want to, or we can skip it. So again, allow all the notifications from the app. So again, make sure you actually allow these notifications, otherwise the watch won't be able to work properly. So allow for these notifications, so search for the CoFit, allow notification access. Again, if you're not receiving WhatsApp notifications or stuff like that, again, this is probably the most common reason why it's like that. Essentially, then we are going to go over here in the device tab over here and click add device, so to pair it. Okay, allow location access. Okay, allow all time pause location access. This again is very important, otherwise again won't be able to find it. Let's enable location over here, and then it should. Okay, and simply wait a bit. As you see, it's able to find it, so we're going to simply tap on it, and we are going to need to confirm on the watch itself as well. So again, tap over here on the watch, so pairing successful. It will give you some tips. Also, you can basically enable, for example, incoming call notifications here as well if you want. So again, we simply need to give these permissions, otherwise again these things won't be able to basically work. Okay, next. So we can also download this like GPS helper essentially and sync it essentially. Okay. And then the watch is pretty much ready over here. So when it comes to the app, if I click over here, I can see my step count, for example, for the day, also my exercise history, so what I have actually done over here, and we can also go in like good detail over here, see where we actually have been. And also, for example, we can see our heart rate chart over here. So also we can manage basically the watch. For example, we can go over here and download more watch face. So if you simply want to download new watch face, send over to the watch, you see it's that easy. So maybe let's see how long it takes. By the way, also it's actually possible to create your own custom watch face using this AI assistant over here. So you can simply enter what you want in your watch face, and I think it will actually generate basically a completely brand new watch face. So let's see. So we have our new watch face on this watch. Essentially, also when you if you are actually not receiving some notifications, again you can go over here and again make sure basically for all these apps basically the notifications is actually enabled, so otherwise again they won't come in. Also, for example, in this app, we have App Store as well, where we can download more applications and then send them over to the watch. For example, let's install this game. So, yep. And the game is being sent over. We are going to check it out a bit later. So you see, you can also like change and customize various other things in this app. So again, the app is actually very advanced over here. So how to actually use a watch? So first, if I swipe down, I can get quick access to my most common things. For example, I can quickly launch flashlight, and also, yeah, basically access various other things. By the way, these watches also have speakers and microphones. Also, they're actually fairly decently waterproof. But after you finish your basically workout in water, or yeah, after exposing to water, make sure to go over here basically and drain the water basically from the speaker essentially. So yeah, basically it plays basically like high-pitched sound and tries to eject any water basically. So again, remember to do that every time basically. Okay, and then if I swipe up basically, I can get access to my notifications here, and then if I swipe like this, I can see, for example, my weather location over here. Okay. Also, we can obviously control basically music as well on our smartphone. But again, this I do not think it actually has internal storage. We can simply control. But again, also, for example, we can even play back music basically on the speaker. But again, your phone has to be in range. So the speaker on these watches also are actually, yeah, really decent. So if I swipe like this, I can get access to my history here on the watch essentially. So I can see my steps for the past days and stuff like that. And also, if you want to add more of these tiles, we can certainly do so. Simply go all the way down to the end essentially, and then, yeah, basically we can add even more things over here. Or also we can even remove some things. For example, if we do not want this, we can simply remove it. Also, we can change order of them as well. And if I click this button over here, I can actually access all of my apps over here. So you see what we actually have over here. So it's totally loaded. Also, if I go in the settings, I can also change the layout style. For example, as you can see, I can swap it over, and now I have a complete brand new layout essentially. So this looks actually like mega cool. So yeah, absolutely amazing. Also in the settings, make sure to go over here in the general settings and also enable or disable the race wrist to wake function. So again, if you see that your watch battery doesn't last as long, you can maybe disable this race wrist to wake function. Also, by the way, we also have always on display on this watch here as well. So as you see, we can actually enable always on display. By default, it's actually not enabled. And then also check this, we can also customize basically this side key for any custom action. So you can add more things over here so that you want, basically, so you can see what we can add over here. So pretty much most apps. Maybe let's set timer over here. Okay, and then let's check basically. Also let's check that always on display. So you see, this is what the always on display looks like, but obviously this will drain more battery life. So when it comes to battery life, this watch claims to have like 15 days of battery life, but obviously that's without the always on display. With always on display, it obviously will be much less. So again, you probably need to know that. Then if I press the side key that we just set up, okay, so you see, I can quickly launch these things. By the way, we can add more than one thing basically. So I think we can add three things over here. For example, I have the timer, or also I can quickly start exercise. So again, you can customize this button for any actions that you want on this watch. By the way, also by default, these watches actually do not have continuous heart rate monitoring enabled. So I guess to save even more battery life. So again, if we go in the app, in the settings over here, also make sure to enable this over here. So yep, enable like this continuous heart rate monitoring, and then yeah, also see, you can also like basically set these heart rate alerts basically. So if the heart rate drops basically or increases over these presets, basically it will actually warn you. So again, very advanced watch. And overall, are these Black Shark watches actually worth it? And should you maybe get one? Well, yep, I can highly suggest these watches. For example, as you see, I can even like receive some WhatsApp notifications someone is sending basically. So absolutely awesome. So yep, if you actually want to get insanely good deal on this watch, simply yeah, check out those special links in the description. Also, I'll include some extra coupons that you can use to bring the price down essentially on this watch even further. And for this price, this watch costs on AliExpress, I think it's absolutely bargain, because again we get really top class like build quality on these watches, speaker, microphone. Also these straps are actually really cool. By the way, if you're wondering if basically how secure this strap is, then it's mega secure. So even if you basically were to pull this watch, so there's no way how to actually get it off. So yeah, so basic physics basically. So there are actually like tons of tiny magnets inside basically, and then once basically these pop together, so essentially they create like, I guess, some kind of continuous force essentially. So again, it's not really possible to actually like yeah, get this off accidentally. So yeah, absolutely great strap on this watch as well. And yep, great GPS locks on super fast, great build quality, also looks absolutely awesome, always on display, and literally like 2 weeks of battery life. So absolutely insane, cool watch. Anyway, good luck.